Alright guys, we got the Soul Red Mazda MX5 here, wide body. This is like Rocket Bunny style. Just figure show you guys this one. It's pretty heavy duty. You guys can see, we'll look at the wheels from the other side. I know Dara's gonna like this one. Manual too. Very cool.
Dualies in the back.
Is it?
It's a dually, but like a single exit.
Oh, just the dual. Yeah, so you guys can see MX5.
The hard top, though.
Hard top, yeah. Alright guys, just a little MX5 for you, and that's it. SFM Collective. Oh yeah, hardtop convertible. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.